Welcome to PB Cooking with Jay. My name is Jermaine, and today we're going to make a breakfast smoothie. For those who just want to jump ahead to the recipe, look below. Not at this, but look even further below and you'll see the recipe. For those who want to stick around, let's get started. For this, you're going to need some sort of a blender. I have a NutriBullet, something I've had for years. Probably the best money I've spent, because you're going to need to blend up your fruit. I am a huge fan of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries. This one also includes raspberries and blackberries. Get a whole lot of flavor in there, some antioxidants with the blueberries, a whole lot of goodness when they all come together. Oh, we have a runaway blueberry. I would say let's do 2 cups. You can select your favorite fruit. This is one I really enjoy. For this one, we're going to use oat milk. I like that it makes a bit of a thicker texture. You can use almond, cashew, whatever you prefer, but I find that this gives a texture I like. And that is just 1/3 of a cup. I'm also using frozen fruit just because it's the easiest way to get that smoothie sensation. If you use regular fruit, fresh fruit, you could throw in some ice and try to get the texture you like. But personally, I like it to be easy and simple because I'm likely going to have this on the go, or I'm hungry now and want to eat sooner than later. So this eliminates one step, having the frozen fruit. Let's get blending. Pretty thick, so we may need to add in a little bit more oat milk. You could add in a dash of water. At this point, it's all about matching the texture that you like. I'm just going to add in a splash of oat milk, just a splash. More like a dash than a splash. Got a bit of a shake, blend it down a bit more. Some escaped. What I like about this recipe is it really is quick and easy. Oh. All right. It's got that right texture. Oh. Probably good to have a spatula or a small spoon, or you could just tap away. Whatever works for you. Okay, so we have our fruit with the perfect texture. Scoop some of that out. It almost looks like a bit of a sorbet for breakfast. It's got a little bit of that sorbet look about it, but what will help elevate it and add in that extra nutrition is we're going to super stack it. I have some muesli here. It's really easy to get plant-based because it's typically just some granola, some seeds. So this one has dates, raisins, some pumpkin seeds, some oats. We're gonna add in our chia seed. Gives it a nice little color and texture there. So this is a teaspoon. Next up, we're gonna add in our hemp hearts. This is a huge staple for me. It's an easy way to get protein in any meal. And the thing I really like about hemp seeds is the fact that they're very versatile. You can add them to salads, you can add them to your breakfasts. Why do I say breakfasts? I do not know. Fun fact, I'm an English major. I'm sure all my profs are rolling their eyes right now. So we'll add in 2 teaspoons of that. It's nice and a simple way to super stack your breakfast. An easy way to elevate it, get more protein, get more nutrients. Because if you're going to start your day with this, you want it nice and nutritionally dense. Even though we have the base of the fruit sorbet, you could top it with some additional fruit, some blueberries. I like blueberries because they're tasty, delicious, and they have antioxidant properties. Also, any fruit that you're adding on, wash your fruit. I cannot stress that enough. We're eating healthy. We want to make sure that you don't pick up any contaminants. Here we have some mango that is escaping me and hiding right now. That's pre-sliced and diced. And we'll just toss that in there. Nice little addition. And here you have your breakfast smoothie bowl. It's delicious, it's beautiful, it's nutritionally dense, and it is so easy to make. It's one of my favorites. I hope it's one of your favorites. Bon appetit. Enjoy this for your breakfast, snack, dessert, whenever. And always continue to be kind and do good. Enjoy, and please check out some of the other amazing recipes here on PB Cooking with Jay.